Today, we're matching the heroes and villains from Miraculous Ladybug with the zodiac signs we think fit them best. You'll finally see why Marinette's Leo sign, as revealed in the show, is a perfect fit for her leadership, and why Adrian's double life is just pure Gemini energy. Ever since we were introduced to the students of College Françoise Dupont, it was obvious that Paris was packed with some seriously dynamic and powerful personalities, even before any Miraculous showed up. Fans have been debating which astrological signs best represent their favorite characters for ages. While some matches are pretty much agreed upon, others can spark a serious debate. So today, we're going to settle it, using what we know from every season to assign each character their one true zodiac sign. We'll start with the sign revealed for our hero, Ladybug, and make our way through all 12 signs. Let's kick things off with the most impulsive, passionate, and energetic crew in the zodiac, the fire signs. First on our list is Aries, the ram. Aries are all about taking action. They're born leaders, bursting with courage and a competitive streak that pushes them to be number one in everything. Sure, they can be impatient and have a bit of a temper, but they almost always mean well. And honestly, there is no better fit for Aries in the whole show than Alex Kubdal. She is the definition of action-oriented, always on her skateboard, up for a race, and never, ever backing down from a challenge. Alex doesn't wait around for things to happen, she makes them happen. Her impatience is legendary, but so is her bravery. Even before she got the rabbit Miraculous and became the time-traveling hero Bunnix, Alex was always the first one to charge into danger to help out her friends. That need for action and her direct, no-nonsense attitude. That's pure, unfiltered Aries. Next, we have the undisputed queen of the zodiac, Leo, the lion. And for our main character, we don't have to guess. Her birthday celebration in the series revealed that Marinette de Paincheng is a Leo. Leos are known for being natural leaders, incredibly creative, and, let's be real, a little bit dramatic. While Marinette might seem shy and clumsy in her day-to-day life, her Leo traits explode onto the scene when she transforms into Ladybug. She's the heart of her friend group and the unquestioned leader of the Miraculous team. Her friends and all of Paris are captivated by her natural charm and confidence as Ladybug. The lucky charm itself feels like a perfect symbol of a Leo's creative problem-solving skills. But we can't forget the other side of Leo, the drama. Marinette's super-elaborate plans just to talk to Adrian, her over-the-top panic attacks, and her passionate sense of justice are all hallmarks of this fiery sign. Rounding out our fire signs is Sagittarius, the archer. Sagittarians are the eternal optimists and adventurers of the zodiac. They're known for their honesty, their love of freedom, and their philosophical side. But that brutal honesty can sometimes land them in hot water. This brings us to the master of manipulation herself, Lila Rossi. Now, it might seem ironic to assign the sign of truth to the biggest liar in the show, but that's exactly what makes it a perfect fit. Lila is the shadow side of Sagittarius. She spins these incredible stories about her adventures all over the world, fascinating her classmates with total fabrications. She basically weaponizes the Sagittarian love for storytelling and grand experiences. Her friendly, easygoing act is a perfect imitation of the sign's optimistic nature, and it's how she tricks everyone around her. She wants the freedom to do whatever she wants, without being held back by rules or truth, making her a dark mirror of the free-spirited archer. Alright, let's bring it back down to earth with the most practical, stable, and determined signs, the earth signs. Starting with Taurus, the bull, we have a sign known for being reliable, patient, and a lover of all things comfortable. Tauruses get a rap for being stubborn, but that's really just a sign of how deeply rooted they are. They feel secure in routine and consistency. The character who just perfectly embodies this steady energy is Nino Lahif. Nino is usually pretty chill and happy to go with the flow, but he gets seriously worked up when his plans get messed up or when the people he loves are in trouble. His love for his music, his ever-present headphones, and his cap are all part of his comforting personal bubble. That protective instinct is his most powerful Taurian trait, and it makes him the ideal person to wield the turtle Miraculous, which grants the power of protection. Nino is a loyal friend, a devoted boyfriend, and a total rock for everyone around him. He's a Taurus, through and through. Next is Virgo, the detail-obsessed perfectionist. Virgos are analytical, hardworking, and feel a deep need to be helpful and of service. They're the planners and the organizers, the ones who stress about getting everything just right. While a few characters have Virgo-like tendencies, Kagami Tsurugi truly embodies the sign's drive and precision. Kagami is intensely focused on her goals, whether she's in a fencing match or trying to win Adrian's heart. She tackles everything with a perfectionist's eye, always pushing herself to be the absolute best. Her social awkwardness at the beginning really stems from that Virgo focus on logic and results instead of messy feelings. Her journey on the show has been about learning to balance her precise nature with the chaotic flow of friendship and love, a classic Virgo struggle. The final Earth sign is Capricorn, the ambitious sea-goat. Capricorns are all about discipline, ambition, and patient, long-term planning. They have masterful self-control and will do whatever it takes to reach their goals, no matter how long the wait. This description fits nobody more perfectly than the big bad himself, Gabriel Agresti, aka Hawk Moth and Monarch. For seasons, he has shown almost superhuman patience, carefully planning and launching his attacks day after day. His ambition is singular: get the Miraculous of Ladybug and Cat Noir to bring his wife back. This one goal has turned him into a master manipulator who preys on the hurt feelings of Parisians. His generally pessimistic and detached attitude are classic Capricorn traits. He is the ultimate strategist, always thinking 10 steps ahead, making him a terrifying and powerful example of Capricorn's relentless drive. If you're loving this breakdown of miraculous heroes and villains and you want to see more stuff like this, this is a great time to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. We're only halfway through the zodiac, and trust me, it's about to get even more interesting. Let's float on over to the intellectual, social, and chatty world of the air signs. Kicking things off for the air signs is Gemini, the twins, and this might just be the most perfect match in the entire series. Adrian Agresti is a Gemini, full stop. This sign is famous for its duality, adaptability, and a playful, communicative spirit. Adrian is literally living a double life. As Adrian, he's a polite, reserved, and obedient model. But when he transforms into Cat Noir, he lets the other half of his personality loose. He's flirty, clever, and a total goofball, famous for his never-ending stream of puns. This knack for adapting to any situation is a core Gemini trait. He can be the charming face of a brand one minute and a wisecracking, freedom-seeking hero the next. This constant dance between his two selves, the responsible son and the rebellious hero, is the very essence of Gemini energy. Next up is Libra, the scales, the sign of balance, justice, and partnership. Libras are natural peacemakers who are great at seeing all sides of an issue. They're social butterflies who value fairness and harmony more than anything. It perfectly describes Marinette's best friend and the genius behind the lady blog, Alia Césaire. Alia is on a constant mission for the truth. As a budding journalist, her main goal is to uncover and share information fairly. She's incredibly social and a master at making connections, which is how she gets all those amazing scoops. Her powerful sense of justice is what fuels her support for Ladybug and her drive to unmask Hawk Moth. Even her transformation into Rena Rouge, a master of illusion, serves the Libran goal of creating balance on the battlefield. Alia is the ultimate partner, both to Marinette as a friend and to Nino as a girlfriend, always working to create harmony. Closing out the air signs is Aquarius, the water bearer. For the humanitarian, innovative, and rebellious Aquarius, our pick is Zoe Lee. Aquarians are independent, original thinkers who often march to the beat of their own drum, all while wanting to make the world a better place. When Zoe first showed up, she tried to fit in by acting just like her sister Chloe, but her true Aquarian nature couldn't stay hidden for long. She's an actress who desperately wants to be true to herself, even if it makes her an outcast. Zoe is kind, accepting, and wants to help others, embodying that classic humanitarian spirit of Aquarius. She forges her own path, choosing kindness over her family's toxic demands. Her role as the hero Vesperia just cements this, as she uses her powers for the greater good of Paris, proving her unique perspective is her greatest strength. Finally, let's dive into the intuitive, emotional, and mysterious world of the water signs. First is Cancer, the crab. Cancers are the nurturers of the zodiac. They're known for their incredible emotional intelligence, their empathy, and their fiercely protective nature. They can be sensitive and a bit moody, but their main drive is to care for and protect the people they love. The sweetest and most empathetic character in the entire series, Mylene Hapriel, is a perfect Cancer. Mylene is so in tune with everyone's feelings and is always there to offer a shoulder to cry on. She's easily frightened, which is a classic manifestation of the sensitive Cancer spirit, but she's also incredibly brave when she has to defend her friends. Her role as the holder of the mouse Miraculous, becoming multi-mouse, even highlights the Cancerian ability to multitask for the sake of the greater good. And for a little bonus, we think the ultimate nurturer, Tiki, also fits right in here. She is constantly giving Marinette guidance, affection, and protection, pure Cancer energy. Next up is the most intense and mysterious sign of the zodiac, Scorpio. Scorpios are known for being passionate, resourceful, and brave. They're also linked with jealousy, possessiveness, and a thirst for control. While many fans might argue Chloe is a Leo, we think her actions, especially as Queen Bee, scream Scorpio. Her intense jealousy of Ladybug's power and her possessiveness over the Bee Miraculous are textbook Scorpio traits. She has a powerful presence and isn't afraid to chase what she wants, but her downfall is her inability to let go of control and her desire for revenge when she feels betrayed. And for another fun bonus, we think the destructive and cunning Kwame Plagg also gives off some major Scorpio vibes. His loyalty to Adrian is absolute, but his very purpose is destruction, the force that balances creation, a very Scorpio concept. Our zodiac journey ends with Pisces, the fish. Pisces are the dreamers, artists, and empaths of the zodiac. They are compassionate, gentle, and possess a wisdom that seems to go beyond their years. There is no character who better captures the artistic and soulful spirit of Pisces than Luca Cafane. Luca literally communicates through music, turning other people's emotions into melodies on his guitar. He is incredibly compassionate and intuitive, often sensing what people feel before they even know it themselves. Like a true Pisces, he can get lost in his own world of music and emotion. His gentle and selfless nature is proven time and again, especially in his willingness to step aside for Marinette's happiness. His twin sister, Julika, also shares this dreamy, sensitive Pisces energy, making them the ultimate duo to represent this gentle water sign. So, there you have it, every zodiac sign matched with their miraculous ladybug counterpart. From the fiery leadership of Leo Marinette to the two-sided nature of Gemini Adrian, it seems like the stars have truly aligned over Paris. But now I have to ask, do you agree with our choices? Was your sign's character a perfect match, or is there another hero or villain you think fits the bill better? Let me know in the comments if you agree with my picks. Also, tell me your zodiac sign and who your favorite miraculous character is. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to stay miraculous.